Hey guys, it's Cody with Homestead, and today I'm bringing you a super cool product that is designed to turn any chicken coop into a mobile chicken coop. So a little backstory first. So we bought this chicken coop under the premise that it was mobile, that it had wheels on it. Well, when it was delivered to our house, it didn't. So now we have this giant chicken coop here that I can't move it. That's stuck, and you can see just by the grass that it's been here a while. And I am being told by my manager, aka Miss Angelique, that I need to get it moved so it can cut grass. So anyways, let's get it started and I will show you the product. Here we go. First thing we're going to do is measure the length of our chicken coop here. Alright, so I had to use a dolly to get it up because we're so close to the ground here and this thing's so heavy that, you know, it was flush to the ground. But now we got it, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these holes drilled and get this out of here. All right, so with that hammering we just did, we got the bolts through and they're nice and flush. And one thing that I did just to help me out, seeing how I'm by myself, was I used the dolly to get this propped up so that I can get my hands in here and work on the bolts that are inside. So we're gonna go ahead and get the washer and the nut on it, and we'll come right back. So here's your washer. All I'm doing is reaching in, finding it, putting it on. And then you got your locking nuts here. So I'm just gonna stick these here, 2 socket wrenches, and I'm holding one in place. And I'm just ratcheting this bad boy down here. All right, so we got the wheels on. So we can see this is a double wheel model, so 2 wheels and 2 wheels. So we'll take our washer, throw him on, and then we'll use our little wheel lock here and thread him. Boom, just like that. And now we're just gonna repeat it for the other side. Cool. Let me show you how to use this thing real quick. So you see how this blocking bar is set up here? Well, when the ChickLift is activated, it sits right in here. And that's what causes this lift. So all you gotta do is step on this right here, and it should go right into place. Let's see if it works. Boom. All right. That's awesome. Now check it out. Now that we've stepped there, we have this clearing, and we didn't have that before. So that's going to enable us to come up here to the front, lift this off the ground, and move the coop itself. So overall, not a super hard install. I made it harder on myself because I didn't cut the grass and it was a wreck, and you can see I'm dirty, but it worked out. So let me get it cleaned up, get the workspace tidied up, and we'll come right back and we'll see if I can actually move it without any type of like lift or anything. Look at there, hey! I need to get to the gym. Woo! All right, one more time. Sweet. So you saw me do it. I'm tired now, but obviously we would need to get some type of lifting apparatus here. I'm wheezing, my weak little lungs and asthma is triggered off, so we can lift it up. But yeah, I mean, I gotta say, that's a game changer, dude. That is awesome. That makes it so easy. And now, make sure I do this right. So we step down. And boom, now we're home. Look, I gotta be real. I bought this thing. I did not think it was gonna work. But I gotta say, man, I am pleasantly surprised. It was a lot easier to put on than I thought. One thing that made it hard for me, and I'll show you, is how low the chicken coop is. You see? But that's no fault of the ChickLift. That's my own problem. But yeah, man, I mean, that's super cool. Well, look, the sun's going down, the wind's kicking up. But look, this has been Cody with Home to Homestead. I'm making no money from the ChickLift. I'm just happy with it as a product, because that thing right there weighs about 800 pounds. I know it don't look it, maybe it does, but it's huge. This thing is ready for 600, and it just crushed it. So I'm gonna put the link down below so you guys can go. I make no money, but it is a game changer. That makes me so happy, and it gets me out of trouble with Angie. Well, look, guys, I'm sorry the video quality has not been the best, but you know, I'm working, and I'm, you know, just out here winging it. But yeah, man, this has been Cody with Home to Homestead. I hope this video helps you out, and if it has, please drop the like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Out here.